Tired of dust and crumbs building up in the places that are hardest to clean? This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is designed to make everyday cleaning faster, easier, and far more convenient around the home, office, or even inside the car. Its lightweight cordless design gives you the freedom to move comfortably without dealing with bulky equipment or tangled cables, making quick cleanups feel effortless instead of time-consuming. The high-power suction helps remove dust, crumbs, pet hair, and small debris from desks, keyboards, sofas, shelves, corners, and tight spaces. Compact attachments help reach areas that larger vacuums usually struggle with, allowing you to clean small surfaces and hidden spots more effectively. Its portable size makes it easy to carry from room to room and simple to store when not in use. Whether you're cleaning your workspace, freshening up your car interior, or handling everyday messes around the house, it's built to stay practical and ready whenever you need it. The ergonomic grip keeps it comfortable to hold during use, while the cordless setup adds flexibility for quick movement and easier handling. Instead of dragging out a large vacuum for every small mess, this gives you a faster and more convenient solution for daily cleaning. Simple, portable, and easy to use, it helps keep everyday spaces cleaner without adding extra hassle to your routine.